When you miss the start of the 90-day business sprint, then no problem. You can still join us here at the Digital Marketing Legacy Builder, where you're going to be able to learn how to generate 30K in 90 days. Would that make a difference to the life of your family? Well, here you can learn how to market your online business, learn the strategies, and learn new mindset techniques to help you build your business successfully. With these daily 5-minute videos, you will have action steps to take to attract or to help you attract your ideal customers every single day. Why 90 days? Because it's the influence of the 90 day strategies and marketing to shift the old habits and see your results and growth happen in that time. This is 90 days where you're going to find a whole new success level. If you would like to access the 90-day business sprint, then comment 90 days below. And I will send you across all the details because this is going to lay the foundation for you to create an amazing 2025. So if you're missing something in your business, whether it's crafting the right message or attracting your ideal customers regularly, this is where you're going to learn the skills without having to bother family and friends. Learn the skills to master your business and learn exactly what you need to know. Just comment 90 days below and I'll be sure to send you the details.